If you can't stop staring at ocean waves, Lloyd C. Dobson's coastal oil painting books will teach you how to actually paint them. I used to stand at the shore, wishing I could capture that movement on canvas, but every attempt fell flat. The water looked stiff, the colors felt wrong, and I had no idea why. That changed when I found Dobson's collection. He's spent decades painting original coastal work collected across the US and internationally. His books don't drown you in technical language. Instead, every lesson is broken into clear, manageable steps you can apply right away. You'll learn how waves reflect light, how to mix vibrant coastal colors, how to paint wet sand reflections, and how to build atmosphere in a scene. Whether you're painting your first wave or your 100th, these guides meet you where you are. Visit Lloyd C. Dobson's art books page and start painting the coast you've always imagined. Go to www.lloydcdobsonauthor.com/art-books. May your day and years be filled with joy and positivity, just like the beauty of Lloyd's